Hi, I'm Christina, and today I am washing my intimates. I wanted to show you how to do it so you don't ruin them, okay? So this is a how-to video, and I'm going to pour some woolite in here, just a little bit, and I'm going to start washing my intimates. Well, the first one really is not an intimate, but I wanted to show you because it's around Valentine's Day, and I just wanted you to see this. It's got hearts on it, and this is a bathing suit top, and this is the bottoms, and they have hearts all over them. So I'm not going to wash these. I'm going to just set these aside because they're light, and I'll wash my darker ones. Okay, everything I'm washing I've modeled or worn in some fashion. Now this is a beautiful half slip. It's brown and it has lace at the bottom and a little slit on the side. So I will just swish this around in here. Okay. And the next thing that I want to show you are these beautiful, they're not pantyhose, they are stockings. Black stockings. They're inside out, so fix that. And you can see the pretty lace. Isn't that beautiful? I have a wide variety of pantyhose. All colors, all styles. So here are the black ones. Aren't they pretty? Oh, I will drop them in there. And I have this beautiful nightie. I would call this a teal blue. It's very pretty, it's lacy. And I'm gonna put that right in here. Oh, this is one of my sheer tops. Comes in handy for everything, gosh. Well, you know, black goes with everything anyway. It goes with a lot of my skirts, a lot of my pants, even my belly dancing stuff. So, this is the sheer top. It's very plain, long sleeved. I also have this cranberry colored nightie, and as you can see, there's lace on both sides. It's short. And oh, by the way, all of these have thongs to go with them. I don't exactly have the thongs that go with them right now, but I have other thongs. Okay, these are the black lace panties. There you go. Black lace panties. Now for you guys that like thongs, I have a couple of them here. It's a pink one and another pink one and a white one. And this is brocade. And I'm not going to wash these now because they're not dark. And I don't want to mess up my clothes. So these are washing nicely. And I'm going to start adding them to the bucket over here. I need to rinse them off. So I hope you guys are having a great day. Getting everything accomplished that you need to get accomplished before starting out to work tomorrow morning, if you work. I would imagine a lot of you guys are retired, and that's good. And I'm glad you found something to do with yourself, you know, like watching my videos. And it's fun because I'm retired too, and I get a big kick out of doing this stuff. It's fun, creative. And I have so many other things, but I am not going to wash anymore. I'm just going to show you this slip. And this is a beauty. Beautiful slip. It's got the lace. Yeah, all the lace. And down here too. And I have a pair of pink panties, just in case you don't like thongs. These are nice, they're feminine. This is what they look like. And they're very nice. Well, I hope you've enjoyed watching me wash my intimates. And I hope you learned something. You never want to put anything harsh on your intimates. I use woolite. You don't have to use woolite. You can use Dawn. You can use just a gentle wash, okay? And rinse them very well, and don't put them in the dryer. So I think if you follow those simple little rules, you're going to have nice intimate wear that's going to last a long time. You have to take care of your stuff now. All right, well, I have to go now, so you have a great day, and I will see you here tomorrow at 8 a.m.